We are going to see the fourth problem in radius of curvature. So that the radius of curvature at any point of the catenary y equal to c cos h x by c is y square by c. Solution y equal to c cos h x by c. The differentiation in hyperbolic function cos h x is sin h x. Differentiation of sin h x is cos h x. Differentiation of cos hx is sin hx. Differentiation of cos hx sin hx is cos hx. So differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to c. C is constant, so we write as it is. Differentiation of cos hx by c is sin hx by c into differentiation of angle x by c is 1 by c. So c and c get cancelled. Y1 equal to sin hx by c. Again differentiating with respect to x, d square y by dh square equal to differentiation of sin hx by c is cos hx by c into 1 by c. y2, we denote the second differentiation by y2. y2 equal to cos hx by c into 1 by c. Radius of curvature rho equal to 1 plus y1 square the whole raised to 3 by 2 by y2. Rho equal to 1 plus, instead of y1 we want to substitute sin hx, sin x hx by c. So we get 1 plus sin h square x by c the whole raised to 3 by 2 by y2. Instead of y2 we want to substitute cos hx by c into 1 by c. So c will come in the numerator. The formula for 1 plus sin h square x is cos h square x. The formula for 1 plus sin square h x is cos h square x. So we get cos h square x by c the whole raised to 3 by 2 by cos h x by c. The 2 and 2 get cancelled. So we get cos h cube x by c by cos h x by c equal to c cos h cube x by c by cos h x by c. So cos h x by c by get cancelled. We get rho equal to c cos h square x by c multiplying and dividing by c in the numerator, and denominator we want to divide c. Multiplying and dividing by c. Rho equal to, we get rho equal to c square cos h square x by c by c. Rho equal to we the question we get give the y equal to catenary y equal to c cos h x by c. We substitute y equal to c cos h x by c y square by c. Rho equal to y square by c. Find the next problem. We are going to see the next problem. Find the rho at any point t of the curve x equal to a into cos t plus t sin t, y equal to a sin t minus t cos t. X equal to solution x equal to a into cos t plus t sin t. Difference x is in terms of t. When in the question the curve is given, x is in terms of t. So we differentiate x with respect to t. Dx by dt equal to a into a is constant, so we write as it is. Differentiation of cos t is minus sin t. Next u into v, this is of the form u into v, t sin t. We write t as it is. Differentiation of sin t is cos t plus differentiation of t is 1 into sin t. Differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. So plus sin t minus sin t get cancelled. Dx by dt equal to a t cos t. Y equal to a into sin t minus t cos t. Differentiate with respect to t. Dy by dt equal to a into differentiation of sin t is cos t minus t into differentiation of cos t is minus sin t plus differentiation of t with respect to t is 1 into cos t. 1 into cos t we get cos t. So we multiply the minus inside, we get equal to a into cos t plus t sin t minus cos t. Plus cos t minus cos t get cancelled. Dy by dt equal to a t sin t. Y1 equal to, first differentiation we denote it by dy by dx. This can be written as dy by dt by dx by dt. Dy by dx can be written as dy by dt by dx by dt. Dy by dt, instead of dy by dt we can write at sin t. Dx by dt is at cos t. We substitute this in the here. At sin t by at cos t. At get cancelled. Y1 equal to sin t by cos t y1 equal to tan t, we get tan t. y2, the second differentiation is denoted by y2 equal to d square y by dh square. D square y by dh square can be written as d by dx of dy by dx. Instead of dy by dx, we can write tan t. Instead of dy by dx, y1 is tan t. So instead of dy by dx, we can write tan t. Multiply and divide by dt. D by dt tan t dt by dx. This can be written as in the form d by dt. Multiplying and dividing by dt, we can write in this form d by dt into tan t dt by dx. Differentiation of tan t is secant square t. Differentiation of tan t is secant square t. We can write dt by dx as 1 by dx by dt. The value of 1 by dx by dt is dx by dt is at cos t. The different the value of dx by dt is at cos t. We substitute here at cos t. y2 equal to secant square t by at. 1 by cos t can be written as secant t. So secant square t into secant t by multiplying secant square t and secant t, we get secant cube t by at. Radius of curvature rho equal to 1 plus y1 square the whole raised to 3 by 2 by y2 equal to 1 plus y1. The value of y1 is tan t. So we get tan square t the whole raised to 3 by 2 by y2. Instead of y2, we write secant cube t by at. Secant cube t by at. At will come in the numerator. At into secant square t the whole raised to 3 by 2 by secant cube t. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. Secant cube t and get cancelled. Rho equal to at. Next we are going to see the sixth problem. Find the points of the parabola y square equal to 4ax at which the radius of curvature is 4a into root 2. The radius of curvature rho is given as 4a into root 2. Solution. We know that the parametric equation of the parabola we can already we have studied in 12th. X equal to at square, y equal to 2at. This is a result we studied. The x is in terms of t and y is also in terms of t. So we differentiate dx by dt equal to, in a differentiation of at square is 2at. Differentiation of 2at dy by dt equal to 2a. y1 the first differentiation is denoted by y1 we can write as dy by dx. Dy by dx can be written as equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. The value of dy by dt is 2a, value of dx by dt is 2at. So 2a get cancelled. Y1 we get y1 equal to 1 by t. We denote second differentiation y2 equal to d square y by dx square. This can be written as d by dx of dy by dx. The value of dy by dx is y1, that is y1 equal to 1 by t. We substitute here d by dx of 1 by t, multiplying and dividing by dt. D by dt of 1 by t into dt by dx. Differentiation of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. Differentiation of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square into 1 by dt by dx can be written as 1 by dx by dt. The value of dx by dt already we have found as 2at. The value of dx by dt is 2at. We want to substitute here 1 by 2at. So multiplying we get y2 equal to minus 1 by 2at cube. y2 equal to minus 1 by 2at cube. The formula for radius of curvature rho equal to 1 plus y1 square the whole raised to 3 by 2 by y2. 1 plus value of y1 is 1 by t square the whole raised to 3 by 2 by value of y2 is minus 1 by 2at cube. So we take the LCM minus of t square plus 1 by t square the whole raised to 3 by 2 into 2at cube. We take the power for the numerator and denominator separately. We get minus of t square plus 1 the whole raised to 3 by 2 by t square the whole raised to 3 by 2. 2 by 2 and 2 get cancelled. We get t cube in the denominator. We get t cube in the denominator into 2at cube. T cube and t cube get cancelled. We get rho equal to minus 2a into t square plus 1 the whole raised to 3 by 2. In the question we have, it is given that radius of curvature rho equal to 4a into 2 root 2. In the question we have given that radius of curvature rho equal to 4a into root 2. So instead of rho we can substitute 4a into root 2 equal to minus 2a into t square plus 1 the whole raised to 3 by 2. Both sides 2 and 2 get cancelled, so we get a also get cancelled. We get 2 into root 2 equal to minus of t square plus 1 the whole raised to 3 by 2. Taking square root on both sides, in 2 square we get 4, root 2 square we get 2. So 4 into 2 we get 8, 8 equal to t square plus 1 the whole raised to 3 by 2 the whole square. 2 and 2 get cancelled, we get a cube. So t square plus 1 the whole cube equal to 8 can be written as 2 cube. 8 can be written as 2 cube. So cube taking cube root on both side. Cube root on both side we get t square plus 1 equal to 2. T square equal to 2 minus 1. T square equal to 1. T equal to plus or minus 1. When t equal to 1, x equal to we substitute in the first equation. X equal to 8 square, y equal to 2at. So we get x equal to a, y equal to 2a. When t equal to minus 1, when t equal to we are taking, we have t equal to plus 1 and minus 1. Now we are taking t equal to minus 1, substituting this in the given equation, first equation. X equal to a, y equal to minus 2a. So the points are a comma 2a and a comma minus 2a. The points are a comma 2a and a